Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tracy and this video is all about how I turn my super chaotic storage closet into a super cute and functional small pantry. So if you guys enjoy this style of content, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video so I know that you're enjoying this video. Let's just jump right into it. So up to this point, this closet was being used as a storage closet. While it is in the kitchen, I really needed to have a place to store all my spray paints and tools and just things that I needed to have quick access to while I was fixing my house up. So the first thing I wanted to do was take everything out of the closet so I can really get a sense of the space and figure out a strategy for how I was going to revamp it. Look at how much stuff was in this tiny closet. So the plan that I came up with for this space is to, one, I need to replace some of the shelves. Another thing that I wanted to do with this closet is to add some type of trim, because as you can see, there are gaps between the wall and the flooring, and the closet overall is just unfinished. So I wanted to kind of work within that, but still make it look a lot neater and just more inviting. Once these boards are removed, then I was able to move on to the next step, which was painting. And this step just made all the difference with this closet makeover or pantry makeover, because once I was able to add the paint, it just really brightened and cleaned up the space. I did need to add 2 coats of paint. So the coat that you're seeing is of course the first layer, and then I went in and added another layer and it looked a lot better. So right now it just looks really streaky, but don't worry, because once I added the second layer, it looked much more leveled out. I love how this closet looks now with just those 3 simple changes. So now we're at the stage where we can finally start stocking up the storage containers. I found these great labels from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love this font, and they have a clear backing, so it's perfect. It really makes the black really pop in this particular space. So I went with those. I will be replacing these. So I'm gonna do a pantry retransformation, or I don't really know what I'm gonna call it yet, but I'm gonna do another version of this closet, and I'm gonna completely overhaul all the labels just so everything is nice and uniform and every container has a label. But for now, these worked perfectly. As I said before, I am gonna be adding lights, and as you can see, I decided to go with some puck lights that I purchased from Lowe's. I definitely recommend these lights. So I filmed this video during Labor Day weekend, and it's now December. So those lights are still going strong. I use them almost every time I go into that pantry, and they're really great. And I'm also going to be changing out my doorknobs, and these doorknobs were kind of expensive but very heavy duty, great quality. I got them from, I want to say I got these from Home Depot. I will be buying more, and I will be installing these throughout my home because I love it that much. I know that it's good quality. I know it's going to last for years to come. Now I'm hanging my pantry sign, and this closet is now officially a pantry. And this is a sign that I found at Hobby Lobby. It was broken at the top. You see where the gap is at the top, the V-shape piece. It was broken, but I just spray painted it just to cover up the cardboard, the brown color, and you'll never know that it was broken. You would think that it came that way. And then this is my trick to not losing my remotes. So I just took one of those little sticky metal tabs that you use for eyeshadow pans to make them magnetic. I used a magnet that I got from a couple of chip back clips. One was a pack of 6 and one was a pack of 3, and the remote only works with the light it was made for. So that kind of sucks, but no problem at all. I haven't lost a remote yet. The remote has never fallen off of the door. So far no issues. And here it is, guys, the finished pantry. Everything is organized. Everything has its place. I just absolutely love it. I love opening the door. I love showing off my pantry. My pantry is now my favorite area in my home, which is ridiculous. I never thought one little space would make me so happy, but it really does. And I can see why pantry videos are so popular on YouTube right now. It's because it's just so tiny and cute. At least mine is. And I think many people have smaller pantries, if they even have one at all. This video is not to make you feel bad if you don't have a pantry. You can do the same thing with one of your kitchen cabinets.
So here's a reminder of where we started. And this is where we ended up. It is light, bright, and functional, which was my ultimate goal. And it's cute.
Hope you took a little bit of inspiration from this video, or if not, just relax and enjoy the video, and then come back and see me for another one of my future uploads. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.